Hello everybody. This is the summer of 2023. And what do people do in summer? They travel. They go on pilgrimages. They meet like-minded people. They tell each other stories. They feast. Yes, like the pilgrims of Canterbury Tales. If you are assistant professors from colleges or universities somewhere in India, here we have a feast ready for you this summer. From 14th May to 20th May at Trivandrum, we are organizing a faculty enrichment summer camp. TESS, in association with LitCrit, the grandmother of academic journals, and also another major college in Trivandrum. We have an array of brilliant speakers. None other than Dr. Pramod Nair will be inaugurating the program. And we have a professor from the University of Illinois, USA, Professor Wael S. Hassan, who will talk to us about Middle Eastern and Latin American literatures. Professor Amrit Sen from Shantiniketan will talk about African and Caribbean literatures. We also have Dr. Anirudh Sridhar, a vibrant academic from Alliance University, Karnataka. He was formerly a scholar at Oxford. That is not all. There is a brilliant list of 15 speakers who will talk to us about wide-ranging topics: world literature, cultural theory, new trends in research, and publishing, even personal branding. Come to Trivandrum this summer from 14th to 20th May and take part in this feast for a very small price. There is even going to be a brilliant Kathakali performance of Don Quixote by Cervantes. Can you believe that? See you there. Stay tuned. I'll bring you more details very soon.